Nigerians are planning to ban Black Sherif songs from playing on their local radio stations and TV stations. Ninyina ne sabre Nigeria for air planet say Black Sherif nyom ebeye kra na enkama omo emmo. Edi entia. Omo se enchaye ena omo hu say press conference bi koso a eye Reggie Roston Samini Black Sherif any other musicians bi ejina ho eka say ebeye Ghana DJs TV stations radio stations ebeya anka yem play 100% Ghana music na yenya ise sorry ya abo Nigeria for nyom abo abasan say emboa industry no eno ena ama Nigeria for ebuofu asabre almost say Black Sherif e wom so free Ghana de na enso mo Nigerians so supporting ye pa inje say Ghana for e ka se mo Nigeria for nyom dia ene na Black Sherif nso ensa say e bo nyom e Nigeria wa bra press conference ne e koso no yenkotie ensem a eye Samini ekan ne ensem bia Black Sherif nso ekan na eche reactions a eba yen so yema nhwe kakra
force or any other group. Let's make sure ours is ours and let's make it appealing to the masses. This is by drumming it in every other day. If we play foreign music to Ghanaians every time, that's what they are on and that's what they play. So when you go check Apple Music Top 100 Ghanaian songs, you see foreign music. But that's what they hear on their radio. That's what they vibe to. So that's what rings in their head. So when they want to play something here, they want to play their favorite, they go and play that, and you can't blame such an individual because they've been indoctrinated, if I'm using the right word. So if we want to do this, it has to be strategic and deliberate.
Samini ena akasa no wabra na omo organize a press conference no ana Reggie Roston gina ho Black Sherif nso egina akira omo eka se da bi efri na ekro na ase Nigeria nyom ne ya doso agi system no afa ama Ghana for ye nyom na nkasa kra no ye nheda enhu ti Samini akasa owie Black Sherif nso ekasa se enye se bia eyade a eye chenchenche na emom eyade ase ye ne sa ebeboa ama industry no nso etimi agro ye ntie Black Sherif nso.
Blessings to everybody. See with me, everything I say is brief and short and heartfelt. You know, this is not a blame game. We are not blaming DJs, we are not blaming artists, we are not blaming consumers. It's a step in the right direction for us all in our music and our culture. So may God bless you.
Na omuwie na Shatta Wale ba bonte na Shatta Wale say na momo say what are you guys saying na eyen hyese ba bia adri wo hye DJ bi say da bi mo omo your friend is saying Nigeria nyom untimi because ono na aye ni program selection wa kwotana na onim the kind of songs a obo a ebeboa ni program e de ama no eno nti sa press conference we na moye no ohunu ni say ehun enhye dan hia sa o say one Samini eni asem na emum brasa me enema bi wo a wapa ho a ense se oba bonten ebeye yesa niema no enu nti Shatta Wale nso akasa after the kasa ni ewie ne ebi support ne bebre nso en support ne enkotie nsem a Shatta Wale nso ekai na me kai wo se wo Dubai nkwa na se opese wudidi a me pa cho ma me kan for Fantini Bar Restaurant emfa emaw Fantini Bar Restaurant aduane be na opese wudie me pa cho se ye fufuo banku emutuo acheke ampesie konkonte Ghana aduane ni nyina se me pacho so wo Dubai a enya afei na wo ba Ghana abedi local food a restaurant kese a ababa wana bie no ho in fact enya asem keto oduru ho a utim se ho so ye pa restaurant wo na etwagu no bomode na hwe ho enya asem keto a Fantini Bar Restaurant in fact ababa wana ye adwuma aduane bia wo pe bia no party bi nso na wo ye no Dubai na apese wo da aduane me ye be serve wo ase a eno nso ye bie ya pono edi ama wo menu no na da ho no bomode na hwem na aduane a wo pe no bomode a na frɛ wo mo na omun deliver emfama wo be ko nso akodidi a na wakọ akodidi me pa cho ye wo Dubai Naive in section bus stop Naive in section bus stop Parasol Hotel M floor eho na abehu Fantini Bar Restaurant kone kodidi je number no ebi ana pese ofre wo ma bomodi ana je number no na frɛ wo mo sanse Fantini Bar de waba amasabre amanfo nyina Ghana fo wa kontuom nyina yebo atoyeyem Number no eye +971 561 081 409. Makacho say o Dubai Naive Bar Stop Parasol Hotel M floor Udrua also re Fantini Bar Restaurant ubedidi no amen no atoye. Nyenko tie nsema Shatta Wale nso ekai.
Then I did, and my brother and my legend Samini to say, if I don't know, if I don't want support the agenda, make a Shatta. Sammy, brother Sammy. Sometimes you have to know we grew past that thing, brother Sammy. We grew past that thing, brother Sammy. Sammy. I see you as they come up. That time, my father catch me that I be for house or their house. But they watch you. So this is some dance man boy, you know, or boy they tell me about you and shit like that. I say, yeah, good. But you see, the road top where I meet you for now. That time I meet you then, they spot the industry. So you say, what's it? If you say bad pass yogi doggy. You say if you on top, you understand me? Then they spot the road, so you know see. So you use pompous. Every day you use pompous. You will use one. I mean, they go pompous. You feel pompous. Come say if you can't do this track, you insult every Ghana dancer artist. They not talk that thing for radio before. Your song they there. Anybody will get that song. Make you can play for people, make people hear those things. That's how many start, how it starts. Say you be the king, you be this thing. Forget the song, sir. You do all those things. You understand me? Why? Because as you they come, then they spot the rooftop. I mean, when you talk, you say if I don't understand, I mean, I swear, trust me. Sometimes if I watch you and they say you, the Ghana music industry, they disappoint you. You the airwaves, the way you control them. I mean, today see you. You talk like they know they play your music. Like, no, because you see what they do. That what Kevin Taylor they tell you, it pass. You then you don't want even go Nima say. If they call you for Nima shows, if they see they like Kobolos. I mean, you know they go some places. Recently where as you know they be where they take work for so we know you. You understand me? The time when we did ghettos, we did streets, me I leave my father in rich house, me I did streets. I mean, you did do yourself, boss. But not saying Agwan, you know that. You know that. You go trust these people, they juice you. You know if you tell me, Sammy, don't do that. You understand me? I respect you a lot. You understand? Sometimes, you know, if I think of them. Things we do back in the days. If you watch all that, they laugh at it. You know, I did text you, I did tell Jupiter, give me some in now, I did call you. I want to make you talk. I know they hate you. You understand me? I fucking love you as a brother because you've also tried to pave a way for yourself and everything. You know what I'm saying? You get me? You are like an icon to most of us. Because the thing with this, I mean, they do that. Me, I did say, hey, I was trying to say, hey, it guys, you, that's just me. I did, see, the time where they say me a combolo, they come your house, me enjoyed 7 day house to that time. So now, if you watch your show for TV, I say, hey, somebody need Charlie, hey, this guy here, the way you collect them, go. Nigga, the only mistake you make is say you don't collect them. I tell you.
Shatta Wale no papa eno achiri na Nigeria for ebu ofu say hey sir yenuanom Ghana for de mo pesa mo yen no hey na se de nkie nim se ene mo a Ghana jollof yene mo na edi Nigeria jollof mo ba ha mo so mo ba bedibi nti eba ne sign na afedi mo planning evil against us yi de se mo nimu a mo nkofo bebre so ho a yen e na sebe ye puti omo on ebi kura kan say eye abrantie Black Sharif wom say no support o Ghana na emum Burna Boy na ma wiase nyina hu no san say Burna Boy show bia na obegina abrochira bo bia no na oputi Black Sharif on e ma ne nyom kra na eye second sermon Burna Boy ene no eye remesa enwom no agi din yie pa ana okọ various sports stadiums wa abrochira ene basketball field ni bi kra ho ha etoda na ye boss anwom no nti omo se Burna Boy enso aboa Black Sheriff yie pa nti se mo se ene me am Nigeria anwom dia ene yenso ye fa ye ho adwen o Black Sheriff
I've been doing this shit alone. I pay my dues every one go. See my credits up and it's fail. Be the girl jump my make dough. Study buzzing up with my phone. Cancel over shit in your go. You know trouble live on your phone. Maybe I send my ball. Maybe I send my ball. Maybe I send my ball. I send my ball. Maybe I send my ball. Maybe I send my ball. Maybe I send my ball. I send my ball. Easy.
Abuzian sami nyina enkamfo amegidi se wate bebre na da bia ya na meka se adwuma we na ya na ye no etoda meme kasa ya na mehwe no yi because obeka asem unu ya Ghana ni ebia na wo pani yi bebe wi akire no no wage wano e de asibone. I've always been saying this, sir, yenwom na nkasa ye bono me pacho me pese me busa Ghana musicians say you fall under which genre of music are we doing? Enyom ben ye me pese me bisa sa question. How life for twam ampa sana mumu hu no ban mumu die yenwu ne sa because Ebra many Freddy ametesi na sorry America for ye R&B and hip hop no besi ne eno no mguso omo ye just omo de niema bia ye den awurwrem enu nti sankedin ni besesa enwom to sorry enwom to no besesa kra enkedin ni de enke enwo ho na emom niema bi ne emfa nwurwurwur anwom no mu what you say say woko Grammys Grammy for upper category Edi ama Nigeria for you my friend Afro pop. Ye musasa high life. Ye jena no ewo Grammys ana. Edi entia. Ni nyina ne se ase ya twe ye ho afiri ho. Ye nye ya adwen se ye beto ade empanyimfo ne beye ye ne so. Me nkasa kwoto na na mpadu tete nyom style ne bi. Etwam. Na emom enke ye betimi a rebrand no. Rap ya ye. Se die esi bitu nwum ya nke din ha life no ne hip life no de enke ma ne nyira maka tro se so obetena Ghana ha se so wo ye dancehall untimi nya nchen Sean Paul because wo ye den a Sean Paul no no eye ni krom aduane a odie onyini ye no obetse se ye fra gena bi dancehall enu nti so rap ya untimi en rap enchen Tupac untimi rap enchen Eminem untimi rap enchen DMS mo because eno ne ya de a sabe wo mo beto ye o mo de sa na obi nso se obe ye high life te se de a ontimi nye ma ne enchen Ghana ni ontimi nye e ma ne enchen hine bekisi ontimi nye ma ne enchen Daddy Lumba what you say eno nti e ba sa na ase edina nkasa no ye ya ayira no. Some of us debi ameka say baba betena even a toda kra wo bo high life nwum no obi timi ba no abeka say nesa nwum we di atwam ene ene because me hunu ni say Two Face idibia ene ode nwum ba nesa Nigeria fo tugu so a edi enti ene ya sideline Reggie Stone mo de minim se Ghana fo ye pe watwam watwam ene ene o ne se we di etetefo ne se we di adane titile. That is why ohini be kisimu wo ho hwe nanse ya machi dede ne sa akode be ye nwom sa akode se ebra na machi dede bo nwom no sa time kra na I think say no hye ne maami echi wo so na wana nye ni da se obetimi ni amachi dede aba be ye nwom na esan ye history the man and osan feel proud of himself dientia sansa machi de ni rapper bia enya nwom da amachi de collaborate with obiada ajo on ne sa akode to was otra to ho na dachi bia no said ye be ye ne din ye den enyira amachi de mu ho ohene be kisimu wo ho dade lumba mu wo ho oforiam ponsam wo ho kwadwantwi Mr Music Man omu nyina wo ho mame control eya na Burna Boy to nwoma ya na ye de ampa abrante no to nwompa na so we Burna Boy kind of music na oye na papa bi ne friend fela obonyum bi zombie ne nwom na Burna Boy afa wa rebranding na otototo minim so obeka no kra kire me dia si yenyina ye bedi no kra kire ho ne aka no kra kire ho a Burna Boy style of music eye fela nwoma na oye enene fela nso odin ena Burna Boy as otutu nwom ni bi srani abasa na ode fela style no ena ode awrem ena minua Ghana ni beka kire se ye di twi to nwom a ensele ba ye ntwe Nigeria nwom a ye tie no okrom ha nyina no bebre na titru ni nansi amobad yo wi ni nwom bebre na eye yibo kasa but ye fa no ha bono ye club ye bono ye kam ye bono ye fiefiem edesa ba magana ni nkoye nwom na onfa twi mfrem kasa ye ntimi nko Grammys me pa cho ye mfa kasa na deje Grammys enye kasa na wonwom no mu ene deje Grammys name the quality of the music broni pese da bi otiade different one asum mame nka asem say ya de brofo kasa na to dwom Emma ejidin dia ko YouTube na ko check enwum bi e friend Despacito abranti a e friend Luis Fonzi featuring Dada Yankee on the boss anwum no eno na ye the most viewed video on YouTube 8.3 billion within 6 years one fa brofo kasa na to you na wotie the content of the music said the beat ni sibitie said the abranti ni sibi riding on the beat a utimu sampa e deserve it. Mentiasie ba metenwom na eye mi de yie pa. Comments a ewo video na sen kwa 4.2 million. So what are you telling me? Se senye twi kasa yentimi emmonyom emma enurachiri. Eduru bra e was a Ghana musicians. Ye nyina ye kabom ne asua de ne ye quality music. Men kasa de mo ye ne. I enjoyed most of your songs, but monyom na mo ye no wadaroma. Yentimi fan compare the lives of Satan akodwa ntwemo ehase papa bia no ye dade lumba monyom abrantie cry friend is saying em say nche nansia no wuye Bodos Tiger o put much effort e will beat making no amachi de betimi aka tro say enwom ba ko Bodos Tiger betimi edi bia be 1 month edi aye ohine be kisi just told me this tu betimi akwa abrochire na wo ba Bodos wa wie oseminwie ye but enne kwan be ne efa so ye nwom obitimi the one na no they are recording nwom mienu and you expect this kind of song se enkoye bibi emfama wo enti wadaroma se nwom begidin a mepacho enye kasa no na emum eye quality of the music said ye enwom no esibitie say na ebe sound wa kwasi buroni asom edi enti ena branch your friend amachi dede papa your born a violin or your friend is saying bruni or da so di na chi besi ne amachi dede nanim di enti a still sa bruni no da so di na chi nanse oni sa akode enwom tie the kind of violin a branch the boy a odi tum utie atimi say yes utie enwom se won tie ase kra na the moment asade ne ba be famu pe enwom ne be ye ode wa bra won tie enwom kra wutie ye kasa se ya enye kasa ne yepe ena sabi minim nyansa nso nchen obia obi nim nyansa pa na akwanya ne manya amedete ya amede kasa ye kira adwen ewa ha si ye be frase ne de ya to atwene no ye besen yakwa akofa enka ye nwom to no ebegina misre mumi anhwe ne ma bi ye ne ne ma bi wo ho aye ya yankasa ena yama yanyom no sabre as emu aye ha enkofo emu na enye DJ sa emonyom DJ sa me mebonyom a me bonyom a eye me de ebeye me fans de eno na mebo wati ase enu ntimesre mumi enye ne emeyie Kevin Taylor ene Shatta Wale etwetwe nkomo e de fansemi a press conference course so a Shatta Wale beka bia eye nkae akofa ntawantawa beto one Samini entem Yanko na yanko tie nkomobo a ekọ so Kevin Taylor and Shatta Wale ntem.
Pa. All be true.
Where's the network?
Oh, I didn't hear you, Big Glory. All be true. I didn't hear you. You didn't hear me? All be true. You didn't hear me? All be true. Mute yourself. You didn't hear me? Shatta Wale, can you hear me? Pa, you didn't hear me?
I didn't hear you like
nice one. All be true.
Oh, some be lie
for you. Some be lie. But nowadays, I didn't say you didn't speak nice grammar before TV talk. How you doing and things? Why? So why if you take some nice grammar cards?
Yeah, it's because of Mali, man. Mali. Like, you know, yeah.
So that right now, every evening TV, they do English lessons and pedicure. Like, what the English thing they do now?
I swear, right now, you know the whole thing.
Yeah.
Right now, I did do manicure, pedicure.
Oh, you make nice, mom.
You know, they like right now I do facial.
Yeah, but the one that they do for us, though, you don't do that one.
You hear me?
The one that they do for your ass and things, you don't do that one yet.
Yeah, that one be true shells.
True shells for your ass, the true shells. Yeah, I get the true shells. You don't do the true shells? But okay, so the true shells, right, Jack? Right now we catch Xmas. So many people are like, Shatta Wale, what's on the table? Shatta will come and now we go see Shatta. Where is he going? What's happening? We just play the incoming solid music, techno. Big up to the guy. Big up to yourself too, Shatta Wale. Bronyeba, what be the action right now?
Well, what now I'm trying to do is put my plan for 2024.
Yep.
And you know, but this Christmas I can boldly say that you know I have like bookings more than like
any artist. We know, yeah.
Yeah, you know the way Shatta did there, you know, when I know they will get command. So
they get command. You know, it's like soldiers, one they go, one they cover. If it true.
Yeah, you know. Yeah, sure that the money too nice. So shout out to all the promoters, man. All the promoters really believe in Shatta Wale, man. Shout out to you guys, man.
So why are you jumping around? Are you going to be having some shows this December, or you just holding on, taking a rest?
No. I have a show tomorrow in Kumasi, Kwesisu Manso. I think that's the place.
Yeah.
And from Kumasi tomorrow, the next day be Kaswa on the 24th. You know.
They say Kaswa to be Ghana. Kaswa to be Ghana. You the trouble.
No, that's Kaslan. That's Kaslan.
Kaslan is not Ghana. Kaslan is not Ghana.
Yeah. So basically, all the weekends to like January 2nd. I think I've been for December. So December has been like very tough for me. Like all the weekends that I perform.
Great. So recently, let's spend like 2 minutes on this. It's got to do with local music should be played, no foreign music. I saw you on social media. You did not really agree completely with it. You gave a shout out to the big boy, Rockstone and all that. Your position on this. But before that, you not say you can't do. A year or two ago, you had this press conference where you tell Ghanaians that our journey, we for chase the journey first. Know the kind of music we are doing. Sell that first before we go even start thinking of Grammys or doing something big. This one is new. What be your view?
Well, you know, my view is that it's a good initiative, but this is what Shatta Wale has been saying, you know, for the past years. You know, I'm the only artist that have been, you know, hammering on this royalties, you know, being, you know, paid to artists. I'm the only artist that have talking about this, you know, distribution labels that we need to bring into our country. So at least, you know, we can develop the music. I'm the only fighting, you know, for this, you know, industry for us to, you know, get paid, you know, with the work we do, because you know easy. But you know, as I find out, say a group of people are starting to do this, I went like, don't wait till you are hungry, you know, in quote, you know, and then you start
Hungry
fighting.
if you make man do something. I'm gonna make him do something. Actually.
Yeah, because people like Samini, Reggie Rockstone, a couple of people shouldn't be the people to fight for this, because these are people who have gotten the 100% air place in Ghana. They've gotten to every stage in their lives. Like they've really like enjoyed this music thing in Ghana. But
Yeah.
you say, why are they laughing? People feel say like, what did they do? Are they envy? But I know they envy because the way I was showing them is what has helped me now. Is what has made me who I am today. That I'm enjoying my music and also doing business alongside. So I'm not too much bothered about the noise that they make, because I've made that noise and I found the parts to it. So basically, I feel they are not the right people to fight for this thing. Because if we say we go talk true for Ghana, these people have really enjoyed their time being celebrities in Ghana, and they should have really done this thing long time ago. Not when you see that now they are not playing.
So you check like S Black Star players that they won't do like kudus and things. We still Capano Day.
Black Star player, he wants to go play.
He wants to go play. The thing to time catch. then cat punk like John Menza. Wait, still you don't want defend.
So I say Samini say, if I don't know what they go on, we got shut up. I say, I see Samini where you Ghana carry you like Ghana map. Where they take do it.
Like your mom, they can't make mistakes. We can't talk Ghana cat, but Ghana map good. Ghana map good.
Ghana, they don't worry you. Ghana, they don't worry you.
They don't worry, yeah.
But as citizens, sometimes I say that you have to be respectively bold.
Hey, this guy, Bleo, respectively bold. Mali, give a shout out to you, Mali. Hey, Mali, big up to you, Mali.
No, that's what I'm saying, because they are not, apart from being respectively bold, they are not brutally honest.
Hey, some be true. This guy no black. But hey, man, he cannot blow past me. Hey, this guy.
They don't know play past me. I mean, that view.
You don't view, but you don't understand. All be true.
So well, if you are bold like that, I believe when you say things, because this system no good. I guess some big for this system when I meet them, and they tell them, say, bro, like, yeah, you people want to fathers and things, but the things you do sometimes if you could, you understand me, and we for quickly update one ourselves, and they understand, because where they go catch, be like they understand some things of the new generation.
It's true.
And,
yeah.
Like my father, like shout out to Shatta Wale, man. When I tell him about what is going on right now, he wants to learn. He wants to copy fast, because he's a businessman and he always wants to make business. But sometimes this industry where we did, if Shatta they talk, that will be what they want to hear. They want to hear what
they go please them. You go please them.
And the people they wear kaftan, no. They hear the jacket.
They wear kaftan, no. Some people they go sit car inside and they hold champagne. Hey, my falls. Some people they want champagne. Some people they go town. Then for maybe for the European side, some backyard they work. Then they act like hey, they play. You know what I'm saying?
That's good. Yeah, champagne say champagne they come. You're there, you go buy for them.
You buy.
Champagne. That's why you know if you buy diamond.
Then if you buy diamond, then buy champagne. But you know the champagne, some they cost like $7 and cents. That one, the kiddies finish like high school where they pour for them at top. That one they use. You know that's it. All right, so boss man. So they should be say 2024. We should look out for some new stuff like featuring and stuff like that, right?
Yeah. I'm trying to, this December, like, for release my Connect EP, and shout out to Bankuli, man. The Nigerians are really, putting some good work into my craft, and
but the EP 2024, we go do one for Washington DC. I tell you, it's happening.
No, that's why it's because of you I didn't even come to the US.
Yeah.
this trip. I wanted, that plan that we had, to really.
I know it will happen. It will happen. Yeah.
So promoters, a whole lot of people want me to come around, but I did tell them, see, the plan I have, if they want to join and come on board, it will be better than, that small shows that they do.
Then things, yeah.
Still have to
then go see your EP say congressmen and things. They sit there, they listen and things. Big one.
Yeah, me, I already have my gadgets already. It's whether Afro beats, or dancehall, or me giving them the local stuff that our people want. I feel say I have a whole lot of international.
But let me say this to you. Be perfect guy. Sometimes I tell people when you fool around, I tell you in your face, and your willingness to accept that. Oh, this one that they fool too much. I stop. Me, I mess up. You tell me. But if there's one thing that your followers they like, is your naturality and honesty and being yourself, and that is one thing that every artist needs to carry with them. Bob Marley was himself. That's why he's Bob Marley. He never copied anything. And all those great artists, they were themselves. So the moment you try to fit into something that you don't fit in, it's like an Ashanti person's trying to speak Equiapim. No matter how you go speak the Equiapim, still you be a Ashanti boy. You get what I mean? So the SM fans around the nation, I know, they're happy to see you. They are happy to support you. I know on the street. Oh, Shatta froze a little bit. If Shatta's going to be here, yes. So all be true.
Some be lies.
Some be lies. So your fans, last one to them, the SM fans, they are family. They're holding you down. Just give them some big ups and let's do the do.
All right, man. To all my Shatta Movement fans across the globe, I just want to say I love you guys all for supporting me from day one to now. And I just want to say God bless you. And as we get to our Christmas, season, and you guys, they go party and everything, just make sure you always be careful of yourself in town and always have the word of God in you. So when you go out, the positive.
God, you got there. But the incoming, you get some line before there. Give me that line, make I go. But me, the song I like.
Which one?
So ping, so that one. I mean, we they like you they treat the woman, so you they like that one. We fast.
So you like
Shatta Wale. All right, big ups you, man. Shatta, I'll see you on the other side. Big ups, man. All right, sure. Cheers.
Me ba jo makatro say edan bi wo ho a ewo Atasman so Kumase, Atasman so Aboa so a ye ton edan no ene eda ho no a box house more than one ibi. Plot no a 70 by 100. In fact, full plot at that dan na chikura no esun yie pa. Bomoden so wa brochira a 80% complete. Ti bomoden na bra beto. Me pa cho we chese elfo kra. Bomoden bra ne bra beto. Famia me number ne frame 0244 54 74 68 0244 54 74 68 0244 54 74 68. Jupe money transfers I mean control. O send this car from US, America, and as Canada. Now they are bagana and quadia. Sa application they also use to download your phone also. Now send this kind of use me promo code ni DJKA. And now you so abenya $5 now their account account. They all send their brand Ghana and so yente ne capre. Jupe I'm on sign for. Subscribe to the channel no. Then press the notification button for more videos. Me da say, my crowd, bye bye.